This guide will advise you on how to make purchases for your affiliated organisations on the Probrand procurement platform. You can navigate to all areas of the platform from this homepage. In order to proceed with accessing your affiliated organisations, please make sure you are logged in. To access your affiliated organisations, select Affiliated Buying in the drop-down under your account. Select the affiliated organisation that you wish to purchase on behalf of. You will then be proxied in as a user of that affiliated organisation. This means that you will be able to place orders and save quotes for that organisation. Simply navigate as normal to save items to your basket. Please see other guides for detailed information about how to navigate the platform and search for products to add to your basket. Items that you add to your basket will be in the basket for the affiliated organisation you are purchasing on behalf of. You can then go to the basket to review these items before you proceed with placing the order. You will be able to purchase as normal on behalf of your affiliated organisation. Please see other guides for detailed information on how to place orders on the Probrand procurement platform.